What's going on? So today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is "Cops Aren't Fooled by Her Nice Act." All right, so let's get into the video. Let's see what they talk
When
about.
this woman is pulled over, she's happy to laugh and joke with officers.
You trying to play with me, sir. That $5 meal deal, get it?
But she goes from nice to nightmare when she doesn't get her way.
Can I get your badge number?
Ma'am, stop!
I was coming this way. I was going to McDonald's, but I missed a shot, so I came this way.
Have you had anything to drink tonight,
I
alcohol-wise?
had 2 shots.
2 shots? What were the shots?
Huh?
Like, would you prefer vodka, tequila? What were you drinking on?
Tequila.
Tequila? Okay.
I'm not drunk, though.
I'm not saying that you are, honey. I'm just
Y'all want to
trying check.
breathalyze me?
Well, first, before we get to that, just to make sure that you are safe to drive before we let you go, I would like to run some field sobriety on you just to make sure that you're good. And then if you're good, then you'll go on your way, okay?
Okay.
Okay? Yeah, McDonald's is a good choice.
Wait.
What was you going to get at
going
McDonald's?
Huh?
What was you going to get at McDonald's?
I was going to get me that $5 meal deal, get it?
There's some nuggets, maybe
Yeah,
McChicken.
Someone give me a hot tea, no ice.
Oh, that's the best drink. Me and you are alike.
Yeah.
All right, so if you'll just hang out right there for me. Would you remove your glasses for me?
Okay.
I know it's right next to you, so you'll be able to see, I promise, okay?
You sure? Because I'm blind, baby.
I am too, believe me. Look at mine. My glasses are incredibly thick. Okay, so what you're going to do, I'm going to have you follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and eyes only, okay? Without moving your head. So it's
So like without like going like
without
this?
doing like this, you're just going to follow with your eyes.
Okay.
All right, you understand the instructions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, you see my finger?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I'm doing good, right?
Go ahead and blink. Take a good pause. And remember, just move your eyes. Don't move your head.
My
okay?
eyes, okay.
Just your eyes, okay.
Stay straight. I can
Stay on
see
the finger. You guys don't
Okay, okay, I'm sorry.
We'll try it one more time.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Would it help if I used a pen? Maybe?
Yeah, pen.
Okay, let's do that.
You trying to play with me, sir.
I'm not playing with you. I've done this 1,000 times. I'm not playing with you.
Okay, I'm sorry.
All right, you want to try again?
Yes,
All
one more time. I'm sorry.
All right.
I just feel like you trying to play
I'm
with
not trying to play with you.
Okay,
It's
I'm
just some
sorry,
test, I
Rick.
promise.
I'm sorry.
All right, and we're going to go down and up, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're done with the eye test, okay?
Okay.
We're going to do 2 more things, okay? The first thing that we're going to do is going to be called a walk and turn, okay? So I'm going to get you down here at the base of this line. Do you have any type of balance issues or anything like that that affects your legs?
Well, I had an
Injuries?
epidural, so that don't affect nothing, right?
No, it shouldn't.
Okay.
It shouldn't.
Well, I'm good then, baby.
Okay.
Can I take out my shoes?
If that helps you, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
What you're going to do is take 9 heel-to-toe steps along this white line, or the straight white line that's out in front of you. When you get finished with 9 heel-to-toe steps, you're going to make a series of small turns around your left planted foot, okay? And then you're going to return along that same line, 9 heel-to-toe steps. I'm going to demonstrate for you. Looks like this, okay? 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth till you get to 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can turn like how? What's the time?
Just however I instructed. Do
Okay.
you remember how I instructed?
Hold on, wait. Let me start back over. Can I please start back over?
You can start back over.
Okay. I will start back over because I don't want you to lock me up. Please don't lock me up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right. Next.
Oh, you getting locked up. All that flirting and stuff you doing, that ain't gonna work. She said, you're playing with me. Oh, this ain't a game, baby. This is not a game. Drinking and driving is not a game.
What we're gonna do, this is the last one, okay? Well, second to last one. And this one is gonna be called a one-leg stand, okay? I want you to lift whichever leg you choose up approximately 6 inches off the ground, okay? After you lift it up 6 inches off the ground, I want you to point your toe downwards until it's level with the pavement. And then I want you to count out loud. All right, if you understand and you want to begin, you're good to go.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I went to 20.
Okay. Are we done?
Well, you want to go more? I can go more.
That's okay. All right. Last thing that we're gonna do.
Please, I'm trying.
All right, it's okay. Last thing that we're gonna do. Okay, I want you to turn around for me. All right. And
Don't try to.
put your hands down by your back.
Don't do that, man.
Yeah, you are way too drunk to be
No,
driving.
I'm not. Please, no. Please, I don't want to go there.
Miss DeAsia, I know you don't want to, honey, but you made a choice and you drove drunk.
No, I did good.
What your eyes are telling me is that you are above a .08, okay? Miss DeAsia, I do have to read this to you, okay? It's mandated by state law that I have to read this to you.
I passed, though. You tripping.
Ma'am, what your eyes are telling me is that you're above a .08.
My eyes.
But look,
I walked and everything. What are you
read
talking
this-
about? Is your camera on?
It is.
What's your badge number?
I'll give it to you, but
Okay,
first,
what's your supervisor?
Oh, here we go. That nice girl act is over with. Hey, this is a good title yeah, this is a good title. I ain't gonna lie. Cause she about to turn up. She was being cool. Now that she don't get her way, she gonna start the whining and oh yeah. Let's see if they can get her to act right though. Let's see.
him, who just watched this entire test.
That is not your supervisor.
Do you see the 3 stripes on his shirt? That means supervisor. I'm not
What's your
calling
name?
anybody
Badge
out.
number. Can I please get it?
DeAsia, we've been so
Okay,
nice. We've been so nice,
tired
okay?
of talking. Y'all already from lock me up. I don't give a f no
All
more.
right. The state of Georgia has conditioned your privilege to drive upon the highways of the state upon your submission to state-administered
Come
chemical
on,
tests of your
bro.
blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substances for the
Breathalyze
purpose
me.
of
How about that?
determining if you're under the influence of alcohol
Can you
or drugs.
breathalyze me?
If you refuse this testing, your Georgia
I have the
driver's
right to get
license or
breathalyzed,
privilege-
right?
If you'll listen to what I'm saying, I'm trying
Can
to
you
offer you that
breathalyze me,
opportunity.
though?
Stop talking and listen
I
to
don't
what
want
I'm
to
saying.
stop talking now because you don't piss me off.
You,
I don't did all this for
if
nothing.
you
At
refuse
this
this
point,
testing, your Georgia driver's
I
license
don't
or
wanna talk.
privilege
Just
to
go
drive
ahead
upon
and
the
send me
highways
up
of the
there.
state will be suspended for a
I
minimum
don't
period
care.
of 1 year. Your Georgia
Breathalyze
driver's
me.
license
How
or
about that?
privilege to drive upon the highways of the state will
Breathalyze
be
me.
suspended for a minimum period of 1 year.
Breathalyze.
After
He's
your
gotta read
first-
that.
Bro, I don't give a
after first-
fuck.
It doesn't matter.
Breathalyze
Just
me.
let me.
All
Will
right,
you submit
badge
to
number,
this?
sir.
Will you submit to the state
Badge
administered
number,
chemical
sir.
test of your breath?
I have the right to get your badge
And
Will
number.
you're gonna
you
get it.
submit
Answer
to
All
the
right, what's
state
your? I don't
administered
give a
chemical
fuck
test
what
of your
your.
breath?
I'm sorry.
Will you submit to the state administered chemical test of your breath?
22
Will you
You
submit
have the
to
right.
the
Yeah,
state administered
you
chemical
don't go
test of your
ahead.
breath? Okay. All right, Mr. Asia, will you get your shoes on?
I don't want my shoes on. This is crazy.
So you want to be barefoot for the rest of the night?
Yes. Just put my shoes in my car, please.
Okay. Okay.
Hold on, wait. You ain't gotta be so aggressive. Wait.
What
Can
you
you
doing?
breathalyze me?
That's where we're going.
Okay, is your camera on,
About to
sir?
be en route in just a moment.
Is your camera on?
It's been on this entire time.
Okay, may I review it?
You have the right to request an open records
Yeah, all right,
request.
let me see
But that's
it.
not going to happen right now.
Breathalyze me.
That's where we're going.
Listen, you ain't got to worry about reviewing it. We all gonna review it because I like DeAsia. That's a nice name. Like I'm sitting here looking at the DeAsia. I ain't meet that many DeAsias. Like, listen, I know us black folks. Our names be wow. You know what I'm saying? Thank God I got a normal name. Okay, yeah. But you know, DeAsia is a nice name. I like that name, man. But anyways, yeah, we all gonna review the tape. And from what I've seen, I knew she was drunk because she was slurring her words like from the jump. You know what I mean? Like from the very beginning, even when they talking about chicken McNuggets and all that, whatever the fuck they was talking about, you know, the $5 meals, whatever. I didn't even know McDonald's had a $5 meal because last time I went to McDonald's, it was like $16 for a Big Mac. I said, God damn, what the you know? I'm like, damn, being in Asia for 6 months, you know, shit is dirt cheap. Come back to the States. Woo! Fast food is like $20 a pop.
Mr. Asia.
Okay, breathalyze.
How old are you?
It don't matter at this point. You locking me up. You got my name and shit. Come on, bro.
Oh, I just figured I'd ask you before I did the
I don't
math.
have nothing in my pocket, so you don't even
Well,
have the
I
right to
tried to
search me.
ask-
You're
Oh,
a
I
male.
You're
I
under
do have
arrest.
the right to search you.
You
Just 'cause
don't.
I'm
A
a male does
female
not mean-
is supposed to search me. I know
No,
my
that's
rights.
not
Come
by
on
law.
now.
You do not know your rights.
I do know my rights.
That's
Thank
not by
you.
law, actually. But you can go
It
and
is.
step in the car.
You
okay?
cannot do all that, sir.
You can go and step in the car.
And your camera on, right?
It's been
Cameras
this
are
whole
on.
time.
All right.
Step forward so we can
So
go to the store.
when no,
Yes, ma'am. You got
no.
All right.
now step in the car.
No, I
Ain't no
want to
need
get
for
the
all that.
camera
Mr. Asia,
first.
You're
I will
Sir.
forcefully put you in this car if you
Ma'am.
don't go yourself.
Look, sir.
Ma'am, you need to stop. What's up with all this?
Sir.
Okay. Oh, you're good. You're good.
You're gonna push me?
Let's trade.
Oh, the camera is on,
ahead and
sir.
get you to do that.
The camera is on, sir. Excuse me.
Hey, trade with me again.
I was gonna come this way.
I'm in the car. There's
Okay,
no
you're
reason
stepping
to
in
do
the
all
door
that, sir.
Thank you.
There is no reason. Badge number.
This
Can I
is
get
your
your badge
last
number? What's your name? What's your name and your badge number?
Ma'am.
Can I get your badge number?
You need to stop yelling.
You're already going to Jonathan. You stupid ass.
48, so the start next line. Howdy. Please get me a rip off.
I already used mine. I didn't get it replaced from the last time we had the rip hobble. I need a rip hobble. I need a rip hobble. Oh, shit. She slipped out of him?
Yeah.
Okay, now that's gonna really hurt. I didn't know you were fighting.
Y'all some bitches,
I want
bro. Y'all some
Damn,
fucking
they
you
flattened
doing
her
this?
on the rocks, boy.
bitches.
Why are you doing
You
that?
need to recognize me, bitch. Yeah, you
There
need
was
to
zero
yeah.
need
Yeah,
for any of that.
Are we gonna?
I don't give a fuck.
We're gonna still go downtown
No.
based off his behavior?
No.
Yeah, that's what I
Y'all
was
full
thinking.
of
Her
no
response
fuck.
to, do you want
You
to
not gonna do a bitch.
comply,
Bitch.
was fuck
Yeah,
you.
Other side?
motherfucker. You, bitch.
Pass it
Don't
over.
fucking do that.
Pass it over. Rip off.
Don't fucking do that.
No, we are.
Don't do that.
Do you know why?
Don't.
And the cuffs is on the floor.
Ma'am, stop.
That
Stop.
hurt. That hurt. For real.
Yes.
Stop.
Yes, it does.
Stop. Okay, stop. For real. That hurt. Okay, I'ma chill.
You're gonna chill?
That hurt. I'ma stop.
Keep chilling.
That hurt.
Ma'am.
Can I
Now you gonna
No,
chill. They
don't
got
be
your
gone.
ass right, didn't
Hell
they?
no.
No, we are.
They gonna get you together.
Oh, my birthday. Ow! Stop! Stop!
Okay, stop. Hold it. Stop.
Stop! Oh.
We are.
Do not move. Ma'am,
Oh.
stop moving. I need everyone to stop.
Stop! I'm gonna chill for real. That hurt!
Yes, ma'am, it does. Stop.
Stop!
Got her ass, got her arms bent up crazy.
I'm not
Act
going downtown
right.
anymore. She's going straight to the jail.
Oh, yeah.
I'm no longer en route downtown. I'm en route to 600. Starting mile is 752.
Y'all have the You can't. This is illegal. This is illegal time. You cannot do shit like this, bro. I hope you got your camera on, bro. What's your badge number?
I'll give it to you on the ticket.
What's your badge number right now? What is your badge number? This is wrong. This is very illegal. This is very. You just did an illegal U-turn, sir. I swear to God. I swear to God. I know what you just did an illegal U-turn.
It
And I hope
wasn't
your
illegal.
camera is on. What is your badge number? I
Ma'am,
want
that
your badge
wasn't
number.
an illegal
And what is your
U-turn.
last name?
It will be on your ticket.
Why do you carry your birth certificate around?
Some people do.
Only your birth certificate. I'm sorry?
That's one thing that I never understood. Like growing up, like I've seen a lot of like parents or like, you know, whatever. Obviously, I'm black, so I'm in the black community. You feel me? These my peoples. But in the black community, a lot of times we carry like our social security card and stuff like that in like our wallets or our purse if you're a girl or whatever. And I'm like, as you grow older, right, you like, man, that stuff's supposed to be locked home away. You know what I'm saying? All you need is like your ID, but unless you go into like appointments where you need that, then that's completely different. But I'm saying people carry it on the regular. And I'm like, why? That doesn't even make no sense. So thinking back on it, I'm like, that shit is stupid because somebody get a hold of your social security number, your social security card, you know, your birth certificate, if you get robbed or something, like that's important documents.
Do you know who this person is?
Yeah, that's my granddaughter.
Okay, well, your granddaughter's at jail.
Okay, who in the car?
The white one?
Yeah.
Nobody's in the car because she's at jail. She's drinking and driving, and then she fought with police.
She fought with the police.
Hold on. Which person are you talking about? Are you talking about the one that wrecked or the one that got pulled over?
Oh, the one right here.
Okay.
The
She's
pulled over.
going to jail because she was DUI and she fought with the police.
What?
Yeah.
So we're searching the car because she's going to jail for DUI, so we're searching for intoxicants in the vehicle because she's extremely drunk. There's marijuana also in the vehicle, yeah. So that gives us permission to search the entire vehicle.
Wow.
You just did a illegal U-turn. You're crazy, bro. You stupid as hell. You're one dumb motherfucker. One dumb motherfucker. I hope your career is on. Dismissed. Case closed. If that command on case closed, you're fucked up. And you're fired. I can't breathe.
If you're talking, you're breathing.
Yeah.
Good luck with this one.
I was just about to clock out.
It's funny that he said that. If you talking, you breathing. That's what we used to say all the time in the prison. They used to say that shit all the time. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. You know what I'm saying? If you talking, you breathing. You all right. You gonna be just fine.
Good luck with this one. That's all I'm saying.
Y'all fucked up for that, man.
Deasia, get out. Get out, Deasia. Get out, Deasia. We're gonna make you leave if you don't get out.
If I fix it, you gonna come out?
Yeah.
All right, come on.
Deasia was charged with DUI, underage possession of alcohol, obstruction of an officer, and improper lane change. She pled guilty to her DUI and was sentenced to 40 hours community service, 12 months probation, and ordered to pay fines and fees of $680. At Blue Line Body Cam,
What? What type of DUI you get fines of what? You get like $5,000 to $10,000 fines for driving, driving under the influence, driving while drunk, or whatever the case. You know what I'm saying? What? $600? Damn, she got out lucky, man. Deasia, I like that name though. That's a fire name. I ain't gonna lie to you. But anyway, I think the cops did a pretty good job. She brought it upon herself. I don't think the cops overstepped their boundaries or anything. You know what I'm saying? I think they did their thing. So I give them 4 out of 5 for that, man. 4 out of 5. And, just another one acting a fool, man. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.